This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. One is under the threat of a escape or already protection is being promised to provide you protect yourself from a nuclear blast, radiation fallout, as well as how to protect yourself from biological attack. This is not a test. A nuclear blast is an explosion with intense light and heat, an energy pressure wave, and widespread radioactive material that can contaminate the air, water, and ground surfaces for miles around. A nuclear device can range from a weapon carried by an intercontinental missile launched by a hostile nation or terrorist organization to a small portable nuclear device transported by an individual. All nuclear devices cause deadly effects when exploded, including blinding light, intense heat, thermal radiation, initial nuclear radiation, blast, fires started by the heat pulse, and secondary fires caused by the destruction. The hazards of nuclear devices extend, nature, and arrival time of these hazards are difficult to predict. The geographical dispersion of hazard effects will be defined by the following. Size of the device. The more powerful bomb will produce more distant effects. High and above the ground the device was detonated. This will determine the extent of blast effects. Nature of the surface beneath the explosion. Some materials are more likely to become radioactive and airborne than others. Some areas are more susceptible to blast effects. Existing meteorological conditions. Wind, speed, and direction will affect arrival, time of fallout. Precipitation may wash fallout from the atmosphere. Radioactive fallout even if individuals are not close enough to the nuclear blast to be affected by the direct impacts. They may be affected by radioactive fallout. A nuclear blast results in sudden fallout. Blasts that occur near the Earth's surface create much greater amounts of fallout than blasts that occur at higher altitudes. This is because the enormous heat produced by the nuclear blast causes an updraft that forms the failure of a cloud. When the blast occurs near the Earth's surface, millions of particles also are bound to the cloud. As the heat diminishes, radioactive materials that have vaporized condense on the particles and fall back to Earth. The phenomenon is called radioactive fallout. This fallout material decays over a long period of time and is the main source of residual nuclear radiation. Fallout from a nuclear explosion may be carried by wind currents for hundreds of miles if the right conditions exist. Effects from even a small portable device exploded at ground level can be potentially deadly. Nuclear radiation cannot be seen, smelled, or otherwise detected by normal senses. Radiation can only be detected by radiation monitoring devices. This makes radiological emergencies different from other types of emergencies, such as floods or hurricanes. Monitoring can project the fallout arrival times, which will be announced through official warning channels. Recent surface buildup of gritty dust and dirt should be warned for taking protective measures. Radioactive fallout in addition to other effects. A nuclear weapon detonated in or by the Earth's atmosphere can create magnetic pulse, GMP, a high-density electrical field. NEMP acts like a stroke rifle, but is stronger, faster, and shorter. NEMP can seriously damage electronic devices connected to power sources or antennas. This includes communication systems, computers, electrical appliances, and automobile or aircraft ignition systems. The damage could range from a minor interruption to actual burnout of components. Most electronic equipment within 1,000 miles of a high-altitude nuclear detonation could be affected. Battery-powered radios with short antennas generally would not be affected. Although NEMP is unlikely to harm most people, it could harm those with pacemakers or other implanted electronic devices. protection from a nuclear blast, the danger of a massive strategic nuclear attack on the United States is predicted by experts to be less likely today. However, if there was ready an attack, people living near potential targets could be advised to evacuate, or they could decide on their own to evacuate to an area not considered a likely target. Protection from radioactive fallout will require taking shelter in an underground area or in the middle of a large building. In general, potential targets include strategic missiles and military bases, central governments such as Washington, and state capitals, transportation, communications centers, floors and high-rise buildings.